Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and today we are going to talk about soundproofing your room. Alright, so if you guys have watched a video I did probably like a few months back, alright, about the pyramid foams, alright, and the the picture wall, alright, also from Arrowzoom, alright, that do like soundproofing of room to ensure that your room, alright, stays really silent and reduce a lot of echo from the wall, usually sound wave when you speak or you sing, alright. Some of the sound wave will be bounced back, alright, and being recorded by your microphones and all this and that, which is not really good environment to be in if you want to record your voice, or record label company or all this and that, alright. Or like recording studios and such. It will not be ideal for that. Alright, so that's where acoustic panels comes in. Alright, and today what I have here, it is alright, wood acoustic panel. Alright, so it's basically wood and foam together, alright, to create this really nice, alright, piece of artwork, yet it's very functional to reduce rebounds echoes from the wall. So what I have here is a full set, alright. So if you are getting this set, you are getting everything shown here, alright. So yeah, they come in a set of 5, alright, of different wood carvings, alright, of various different guitars. So we do have like an image of a guitar, electric guitar, and normal guitars we have right over here, alright. And these are high quality woods, alright. These are not like fake woods or what, alright. These are actual woods, and you can see the quality of the woods are really nice, not like those like compressed wood and such, alright. You guys can see, alright, it's quite thick as well, alright. So yeah, it's really nice, very aesthetically pleasing, alright, and looks very slick, modern and stylish, alright, to be placed in your recording studio, your gaming room, or even act as a piece of art. So yeah, you can use this as a piece of art for your new home as well. You can do that as well, alright. And it can also help to reduce a lot of background noise. So it's really cool. Alright, you guys can see we have a few different designs right over here as well. Alright, we have yeah, this comes in all sets of 5, and yeah, so it's really nice. You guys can see right over here, right? And yeah, so it comes with this foam as well. I forgot to show you this design right over here. Alright, you guys can see, alright, it's another electric guitar. So there is 5 different guitar set of pictures on it, alright, and a foam that is this thick, alright. This is the foam itself, it's just a foam, alright, but it's really good quality foam. It's not like any of those packaging foams, alright. These are actual acoustic foams that you get. Don't think about like you can get this kind of foam like from packaging and such, and shipping containers and such. Alright, these are actual acoustic foam that is specially made, alright, to absorb the sound. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty thick, so it's really useful in absorbing a lot of sound, especially loud noises, loud bang noises as well. Alright, and yeah, and behind here is an adhesive for you to stick it onto the wall. So how do you even assemble all this together? So if you want to get this set, alright, it does come with 5 foams, alright, but right here I'm just showing 1 only, but there is 5 of this, alright, and each of them you just have to place, alright, your wooden guitar on it, alright, and you just have to stick it to the back side of the foam, and it will generally looks like this. Alright, and how do you stick it to the foam itself? Well, you can use various tapes like this type of foam tapes, alright, that is double-sided, you guys can see right over here, alright, or even like the 3M Scotch brand type tape, alright, the red one that is also double-sided. So they have to be strong enough to hold both of these together. So yeah, a normal double-sided tape will not work because the adhesive strength is not that strong, but these two will guarantee to work. But if you are still unsure that if your tape will work or not, alright, you can also get the tape, alright, from Arrowzoom website as well. I think 3 or 4 tapes is about like $9.90, so it's really reasonable. Alright, and you don't have to worry about will your tape last. So if you use the tape that comes with Arrowzoom, alright, if you buy from them, alright, it will definitely stick to it. So you just have to stick it to the back of the guitar, alright. So I think there is the lighter side, alright, and there is the darker side. I don't know if you guys can see from the camera here or not, or I think, or is it the same? I think they are the same, yeah. So it's up to you. You want it to look in this direction or this direction, alright. You just have to stick it or whichever direction you want, alright. And once you have like paste the adhesive, just paste the adhesive here, alright, paste some here, alright, and then after that you just need to stick it onto the foam itself. So once you stick it onto the foam, all right, it will just looks like this. All right, and it's pretty nice. You guys can see, all right, the wooden with the background. It's really nice. You can stick it on the wall. It looks really nice. It's like a piece of artwork as well. All right, with a blend of nature, of wood. All right, and its functionality of practicality of absorbing sound. So yeah, it's if you sort of stick it, it's not very thick as well. So it just like slightly pop out of the wall, and this looks really nice as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna stick it onto my wall because I have very limited space on my wall right now, especially my previous video of me doing on Arrowzoom, where I stick up all the wall of their pyramids, the pyramid foams, alright, which is more a generic type of soundproofing foams, alright, and the picture foam. You guys can watch that video. Alright, so now if you hear my microphone, right, you guys can barely or cannot even hear any echo that is from my room. So I'm in my room, but there is no echo at all because of the Arrowzoom foam, alright, that absorb all the sounds that I produce, and you cannot hear any sound that comes back. So there's no echo sound on my mic. So that's how really amazing, alright, soundproofing your room is, or your home or your studio is, alright, to make it stylish yet functional. Alright, and Arrowzoom, as far as I know, is the only company that comes in that makes all these foams, all these design, alright, in different sizes, alright, and different quantities, alright, and a lot of different designs. Alright, when I look through their website, alright, I have no idea which one I want to choose, because there's so many designs, so many sizes, alright, to fit any area, any space that you want. Alright, so it's really awesome, and they are, as far as I know, alright, the only company that does that and have so many various design. Alright, if you were to look like if you were to look at some other companies that does like soundproofing, alright, most of the time they just have like generic foams, like just the triangle pyramid foams, or like those black foams or black curtains, all this and that. Alright, like talking about curtains, Arrowzoom, they also sells that. Alright, and yeah, they have a lot of things that you guys should definitely go and check it out, alright, and to find something that really suits your team or your studio well. Alright, I'll link them, the first link in the video description down below, alright, for you guys to check them out. And if you use this exclusive code, alright, AZAC-JF right over here, alright, you guys can get a 10% discount store-wide. So it's really amazing. Don't miss out on this opportunity, and quickly use my code, alright, to get a 10% discount store-wide. Alright, or you guys can follow their social media page. Alright, I'll link them all in the video description down below, alright, for like promotional updates and shots. So they have a lot of really amazing things, alright, come in different sizes, come in different quantities, designs, alright, and yeah, it's really high quality, and the adhesive works really well. Alright, ever since that video where I put up all the acoustic foam on my wall, alright, from that video until now, the foam still stays in place, never dropped, alright, never have any issues, stays in place really well, alright, and isolate my room, alright, from a lot of echo really well. So yeah, so if you guys want something that is reliable, alright, trustworthy, alright, and and good quality, and have a lot of designs to suit the different needs of your room, you guys can go ahead and check out Arrowzoom right now. Alright, the first link in the video description down below, alright, for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Alright, so let me just show you a few different all the 5 guitars. Okay, you guys can see all the 5 guitars. This is how it looks like. Alright, very nice. Alright, I love the black and wooden hue to it. It looks very modern. Alright, so if my wall do have space, I will definitely put this up. I would love to put this out. It looks so good on my wall. Alright, but unfortunately my wall is about the same color as the wood itself, so it might look a bit blend in. Alright, that's why I'm not putting this onto my wall. But if you have like a white wall or other color kind of wall, right, that contrasts well with the wood panel, alright, it will looks really great. You guys can see it looks really nice. But if you guys really want to know how good it will look, alright, on the wall itself, you guys can have a see of this image right here from Arrowzoom. Alright, they yeah, you can put like in a row, alright, on your room, or you can stack them out like a row of 2 and a row of 3, no matter how you design it, how you like it. Alright, so yeah, it looks really nice. You can see from the pictures here, it looks really nice. Alright, so so yeah, if you guys want to check out this set alright, the guitar, wooden guitar acoustic set. Alright, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and check out this specific set and get this for yourself if you like what is shown here. Yeah, so once again, alright, do remember to use my code AZAC-JF, alright, to get a 10% discount store-wide, alright, and don't miss out on this opportunity right now. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. If you find today's video really interesting and really helpful, do let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.